Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you'd purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at a Rolex GMT-Master II on Oyster Bracelet, this one for left-handers. The model reference number for this watch is 126720VTNR, also known as the Sprite. Retail price on this watch as of 2022 is $11,050 US if you're getting it from the authorized dealer. I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch, the case, bezel, dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and the bracelet, and I'll give some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. The Rolex GMT is a 40mm watch from my thumb to my pointer finger here. It's a full size for most guys. Case material is 904L stainless steel. That's highly polishable and highly resistant to corrosion resistance. So the sides of the case are polished to a mirror finish. Has a screw down case back in the back. This case is rated to 100 meters or 330 feet of water resistance, so it's okay for you to go swimming with this watch on your wrist. It's going to hold up just fine. You're probably not going to find yourself going diving with it though. It's not a dive watch. Let's try this watch on for size. And it's a 40mm watch, and for reference, my wrist is just under 7 inches. We're looking at 6.75 inch wrist. And it fits my wrist perfectly. Actually, it's on my right wrist, or my left wrist right now. Being this a left-handed watch, let's go ahead and try it on my right wrist. And that's how it looks right now. The watch doesn't go over my wrist. Should fit most guys. Love the Oyster Bracelet here. Going on the bezel on this watch, we're looking at a green and black color scheme on its bezel. Really cool scheme here. We've seen the solid black bezel, the blue and black bezel, and the blue and red bezel on the GMT-Master II. So now we have the green and black color scheme now. It's a good looking combination. There's a nice contrast between this bezel and the dial as well. If you look really closely in the dial, you'll be able to see that that GMT hand that's floating around in there at the 2 o'clock position is green. So it matches the bezel. Now going on the dial, we're looking at this beautiful black dial with index hour markers. Really easy to see and read. I was a little confused at first when I was looking at this because I'm used to seeing the date here at the 3 o'clock position. And this one's on the left side, or the 9 o'clock side of the dial. And the watch was made for people who are dominantly left-handed, so naturally this watch would go on your right wrist. So that you can actually wind and set the time with your left hand. There's blue chroma light luminescence on the hour markers and also on the hour, minute, and second hands. So it's going to be easy for you to read this watch in the low light conditions. Now moving forward onto the crown here at the 9 o'clock position. It can be wound in its first position once it's unscrewed from the case. Easier for me to invert the watch so that I can unscrew this case or the crown with my right hand or my right finger, and I can do the winding and setting of the time on the watch as well. Now 10 to 15 turns should get this watch moving. Second position out will adjust the hour and minute hand like so. That will adjust the date as well. You see it cycle through the date here at the 3 o'clock position or 9 o'clock position, this upside down watch. The third position out will be able to adjust the hour and minute hands. You probably want to set the hour and minute hands first using this function first, and then go to using the jump hour and the date function. Once you have your your time set, you can go ahead and press the crown Screw it down, your watch is set. You can turn it right back up. Going on the movement on this watch has a caliber 3285 movement. That's a GMT movement. It has the hour, minute, date, and GMT function with a quick hour jump. The power reserve on this movement is 70 hours, so you can set this watch down on a Friday night, pick it back up on a Monday morning. It's still going to be keeping time. Now going on to the bracelet that holds the watch, we're looking at a stainless steel oyster bracelet. It has a half polish, so the center links are high polish to a mirror finish, and the outside links are a satin finish. You can see this has a safety deployment here. It's a folding oyster lock safety clasp. You can open up the bracelet, close it up just easily. This deployment on this buckle has an easy link feature. You actually open this up or depress this, it actually opens up the bracelet another 5 millimeters. So you can actually wear this watch on your wrist. If your wrist swells up, you can deploy that easy link feature and it will give your watch another 5 millimeters to breathe. Now, as far as what I think about this watch, overall this watch is really easy to watch to wear. It would go well on my right wrist. It's a green color hype that's going on with several watch companies. Has me thinking this watch will get more attention with this color scheme. It is a bit difficult to operate with my left hand when I first pick it up. Winding and setting the watch with my left hand is a little bit difficult. For people who are right-handed, you're probably going to find yourself using your right hand or flipping the watch over and using your right hand to adjust the watch settings. Now, collectors are probably going to add this to their collection as it's the first left-handed watch that I've seen from Rolex. A lot of people are probably not going to care that it's a left-handed watch. They're still going to get it. Now, if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website at jazztime.com. Model reference number again is 126720VTNR. This is the Rolex GMT-Master II Sprite with a green and black bezel on oyster bracelet, new for 2022. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com, and thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.